Good morning, students. How are you, all of you? I think all of you are fine at your own home. Students, you know, coronavirus pandemic is spreading like wildfire, so you have to be extra careful all your activities. The students, as you know, I was teaching you second chapter, the tsunami. So today I will teach you next paragraph. So there are some important word meanings in this paragraph. To see, refuse. Refuse means shelter or protection. Forewarned. Forewarned means given warning before. Gained. Gained means huge or big. Slammed. Slammed means students hit hard. And flood. Flood means ran. And eyewitness. Eyewitness means one who see incidents. In this way, students, these are the important word meanings and you have to write in your fair copy. To see, students, next paragraph, I was telling you Tilly Smith, how he shaped her family and other people of the beach. See, the family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of three tsunami waves. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been lived. Means students, already I told you that the family took shelter, took protection, third floor of the building, and means that they went third floor of the building so that they can save themselves. If they stayed on beach, they would not have been alive. Students say, if they were on the beach, so I think they have been dead. So the Smith later met other tourists who had lost the entire families thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson. They had been forewarned. In this way, other tourists of the beach, they thanked Tilly Smith because Tilly Smith already knew what was going on there on the beach. In this way means Tilly Smith was aware of already what was going on there. So forewarned means given warning before. Tilly Smith already given warning all that there was something going to happen dangerous. In this way, all the tourists thanks Tilly Smith. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. In this way, when Tilly Smith went back to her school, so she told the students of her class, her school, the terrifying tale. Terrifying tale means students frightening tale means Tilly Smith described means she narrated the story of that frightening tale to students. So in this way, students, your second part of the chapter finished. If you have any doubt, any confusion, I will tell you later. Thank you. Have a good day.